After powering on the Commando 14, short press the sys button on the left side of the remote controller to enter the ExpressRS system menu. Locate the packet rate. Press the ENT button on the right side to access the packet rate settings. Choose the appropriate packet rate according to your receiver. For ELRS 2.4 GHz single-band receivers, select 52.4G, 152.4G, or 252.4G. For 900 MHz single-band receivers, select 50 low-band up to 250 low-band, depending on your desired rate. For dual-band receivers, select X100 full or X150. After selecting the receiver, continue to the TX power setting for TX module output adjustment. The available range is 50 to 1000 milliwatts, which can be selected based on your actual needs. Here, we recommend keeping the default setting. For the remaining options, it is also recommended to keep them at their default values. Next, scroll down to find Bind to prepare for binding. Before performing the binding process, please ensure that the receiver has already been put into binding mode. Binding the receiver. Locate the FC tuning port on the drone. Use a USB cable to plug and unplug the FC 3 times continuously. During each plug and unplug cycle, observe the receiver indicator LED. The LED must light up to confirm valid power input before proceeding to the next cycle. No external battery is required during this process. When the receiver LED flashes twice every second, it indicates that the receiver has entered binding mode. Alternatively, you can press and hold the receiver's boot button to enter Wi-Fi mode first, then switch to binding mode. Return to the remote controller, select Bind, and press the ENT button on the right to start binding. Once binding is successful, the remote controller's main screen will display the signal strength, and the receiver LED will turn solid, indicating that the binding process is complete. Binding phrase. For binding, you can either power the receiver on and off 3 times, or use a binding phrase in the settings. Using a binding phrase lets the module and receiver bind faster and automatically on power-up. It also prevents accidental binding with other devices, reducing the risk of loss of control. Next, we'll show the procedure using the Commando 14. TX module settings. First, let's start with the TX module settings. Short press the sys button to enter the system menu and select ExpressRS LUA script. In the LUA script, select Wi-Fi connectivity. Select Enable Wi-Fi. When the Wi-Fi running page appears, it means the internal RF module has activated the Wi-Fi functionality. Use your phone, computer, or tablet to connect to the Wi-Fi network named ExpressRS TX with the password Expresslers. After a successful connection, the device will automatically redirect to the configuration page ELRS Web Settings interface. If the device has been paired with the TX module before, the password entry can be skipped. If the web page does not redirect automatically, then enter 10.0.0.1 into your browser and press Enter to access the ELRS Settings interface. Find the option menu, scroll down to locate the binding phrase, then can set the binding phrase. You can set the binding phrase as a personalized nickname or password. Use a unique combination of letters and numbers. Avoid simple or common phrases, as devices using the same binding phrase within range may bind together and could connect to another user's ELRS device. After completing the above settings, click the Save button below, then click Reboot to restart and exit, then complete the relevant settings of the TX module. Receiver setting. Now switch to the receiver side and power up the aircraft using a battery. Then, using a pair of tweezers, long press the boot button on the receiver for 2 seconds. The receiver enters Wi-Fi mode with the indicator LED flashing rapidly. Then turn on the Wi-Fi option on the electronic device. Find the Wi-Fi named ExpressLRS RX. Enter the default lowercase password, Expresslers. After successful connection, find the option menu in the settings interface. In the binding phrase field here, set the password to iFlight666 as well. The above settings are now complete. Click Save below to save, then click Reboot again and exit. After the binding phrase is set on both the TX module and the receiver, power on the controller, and the aircraft to automatically complete the binding process. The receiver indicator light stays solid on, indicating that the binding is successful. Computers, tablets, and mobile phones can all be used to configure the binding phrase via a Wi-Fi connection. Please note, according to the website's recommendation, it should be 8 characters long, consisting of numbers and letters. If the phrase is set too simply, other ELRS devices within signal range may accidentally bind to your system. For detailed information, please refer to the official ELRS official website. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.